This is a bicycle theft alarm. It activates the alarm when someone touches your bicycle. Let's see how you can make this. So let's get started. Obviously we need some components for this. You will need an Arduino Nano which acts as the brain of this project. This is the vibration sensor module SW402 which is responsible for detecting any vibration in the surroundings. And to produce the sound I am using a buzzer like this. And for the connection I am using breadboard and jumper wires. In the vibration sensor, there are 3 pins VCC, GND and out. VCC and GND are power pins and the out pin serves as the sensor output pin. The VCC and GND pin of the sensor are connected to the VCC and GND pin of the Nano, while the output pin of the sensor is connected to the D4 pin of the Nano. And for the buzzer, the positive terminal of the buzzer connected to D5 pin of the Nano and the negative terminal of the buzzer is connected to GND pin of the Nano. So the connection is completed. Now connect your Arduino Nano to your PC. Here is the link for the code and diagram. You can find this link in the video description. Open this link in your browser and you will find the Arduino code and circuit diagrams. So download the code and open the code using Arduino IDE. Here is our code. Go to the tools and select the board as Arduino Nano. Then select your serial port and finally upload this code. 98% of our viewers are not subscribing to my channel. Are you kidding me? Just scroll down and smash the subscribe button. Okay, so let's test this to see if it's actually working or not. Alright, now you can see that it activates the buzzer when I touch the setup. So it is working fine. We know that the DO pin of the sensor is connected to pin D4 of the Nano. When there is any vibration, the sensor sends a signal from its output pin to the D4 pin of the Nano and then the Arduino Nano activates the buzzer. Now I am using a custom PCB to connect all the components together. I am using this because to reduce the space and to look clean. So to make it portable, I am using a plastic box to hold all the components inside it. I attached a pair of 18650 batteries and a 5V step-up charging module. I used it because it keeps the Nano safe with a steady 5V supply. And I also used a switch. I soldered a USB cable to the Arduino Nano to connect it with the charging module. And here is the final diagram. Finally, this project is completed. If you encounter any issue during this project, feel free to drop a comment below. So stay tuned for the next video.